United Spirits chairman Vijay Mallya is hopeful of riding the consumption lull with the Diageo pact. Soon after the AGM today, Mallya assured investors that the integration with the global spirits major is progressing smoothly.
The trading conditions in FY14 are difficult in that there has been an unprecedented increase in the price of the principal raw material, which is extra-neutral alcohol. There's no churn at all, and I don't think that this needs to be overemphasized. In the past, prior to the partnership with Diageo, a similar situation existed with United Breweries, where Heineken was taken as a partner, and those that were not directly connected with the businesses of those companies were put on the rolls of the holding company. It's the normal course of business. I don't think one should read too much into that.
Those were comments after that AGM. United Spirits, of course, is set for a change of guard after Diageo acquired 25% stake in the company. On the business front, like you heard, Vijay Mallya is confident that the company's premium push would mitigate cost challenges going forward. Chandra Ranganathan with all the details.
I think the most visible aspect of the United Spirits AGM this time around is the increasing control that Diageo is taking in the affairs of United Spirits. They have a 25% stake, and they really have a very strong say as far as the board and the management is concerned. So the big story really is that United Spirits has put before shareholders a proposal to appoint Anand Kripalu as the MD for United Spirits in India. Remember, Anand Kripalu was earlier the head of Cadbury India before he quit that post. Currently, Ashok Kapoor is the head of United Spirits, but his term ends next year. So the board is in fact in a meeting right now to discuss this appointment. So an announcement is expected shortly. Mallya also came out and assured that the integration process with Diageo is going smoothly, and that the churn that was discussed is not really a big issue. Business-wise, he said the trading conditions have been difficult because of a combination of increase in raw material costs as well as higher taxes in certain states such as West Bengal and Maharashtra. As far as the legal aspect is concerned, he has come out and said that the winding up petitions against United Brewery Holdings will not have an impact on the USL deal with Diageo. So that's really a wrap on the AGM. We will expect an appointment on an announcement on the appointment of the USL MD shortly.